fridge. Open the fridge.
Something's right.
Oh, no, there's some Ocean Spring cranberry.
Some milk.
There's some
That's cheese, which looks like sick.
cheesy chives stick.
There's sour cream. My favourite.
It says it's squeezable. It says it's
I have
squeezable.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
600 different cheeses. Isn't that lovely?
Oh my god,
So do you want me to help you? I'm okay.
look, she's doing. She's got a bit of cheese on her.
Is that cheese?
It's not cheese.
It's corn.
Oh,
It looks like it is baked beans. Joanne's walking with baked beans.
Still like beans?
Sell the baked beans to me, babe.
I'm sorry.
Yum.
There's some chips.
And there's us.
Chips going everywhere. I'm not actually going to put this on YouTube.
Yes.
are you? No! You're going to send it like to everyone.
This is how you make cheese and chips. You put the cheese on the chips.
Let's do it faster. I was not doing it fast enough.
She's not doing it fast enough.
This will make
You put the cheese on the chips to make cheese and chips.
We don't have enough cheese here.
We can grate some more. We can always grate more.
We put some salt.
And there's some salt and pepper.
Pepper?
No, this is
Pepper's disgusting.
You put cat as well? Meow. Meow.
Sorry.
A little bit of plastic.
Down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
Look at the plastic. It's like your feet. Keep going.
And then Tasha.
Hello.
Hello, this is me.
Yeah.
You wiped my nose for me, thank you.
Wow,
cheesy chips.
Cheese, you want to sit?
I want some cheese.
That's not your one.
Oh, good.
I'm like, you're missing neighbours. Stop.
Neighbours.
Put it down here.